basically pandas library. While the pandas is basically open source library, which we can have in the BCD license library, which providing you the high performance or easily based data structure or data analysis tool. We can call this that this is the one of the data analysis tool for analyzing the CSV file format, basically comma separated value format. Okay. What is basically data frames? Basically when we are downloading one CSV file means one of the Excel file जो मैंने आपको दिखाई थी कि हमने जो डाउनलोड किया है, that file we can convert into data frame and then that we can apply the various operation on that particularly data frame. Okay. So this is what just one we can having the pandas. तो जब भी आप कोई भी pandas numpy लाइब्रेरी के फंक्शन ऑफ np pd यूज करने वाले हो, बिफोर दैट यू शुड इंपोर्ट दिस फाइल. तो आप पहले ही स्टैंडर्ड ये जो फाइल्स है वो लिख के रख करो. import pandas as a pd, import numpy as a np. Now here what we can having just created one data frame basically, and जब भी हम एक data frame में create करते हैं तो there are the rows and there are the columns basically. Okay, and we can having the access with the help of df.head. We can having df.location of that particular element, basically loc जो है. Then we can having type क्या होता है, तो अगर हम type find out करें तो we can get the type also basically. So am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
sorry, I got some call, that's why I got disconnected. That's why I'm asking you. This is what with the help of your indexing and location. So when we are writing this colon जैसे हमने slicing and indexing देखा था, आप list element करके या list के element कैसे access करते हो, like we can having starting with 0 to 2 comma 3, so it will be starting with indexing 0 1 and actually every time it will be multiple of 2 3 ऐसे करके it should be get access basically. This is what the slicing and indexing बोलते हैं. And when you are having the null values, basically missing values, nulls value, at that time we are requiring this iLocation function. और ये iLocation function हमें कौन से value में क्या है, so we can easily find out this with the help of this iLocation index location function. Okay, so you can print out in a different way. So this is what the I dot values. You can print out the columns count big, means whatever the column which we are having, how many values we are having in column 1, how many values we are having rows 1 or column 2. So that will be, or we can having what are the shape of that particular data frame, that will be also important. Now this is what basically a Mercedes CSV downloaded over here. अभी ये Mercedes की CSV में क्या है, basically we can having x0 x1 x2 x3
हम स्क्रीन शेयर नहीं है शायद.
okay sorry. So this is basically we can having this df CSV. अगर हम ये फाइल कोई भी रीड करते हैं तो पहले क्या है, this is what my data frame I'm creating, this file converting into the data frame object, so that will be df as a object. pd as a pandas का है, because pandas library is going to use convert into data frame. read underscore CSV, we are reading the CSV file, so that's why CSV file. कोई और फाइल रीड कर रहे हो तो you just change the CSV extension. Okay, read.xls or read underscore dot jpg, read underscore dot text. This way you can do the things. Okay, so Mercedes dot CSV file. Then when we are want अगर आपको देखना है कि आपने just file download किया है and you just want to find out what is the basic thing in my file, so what I want to just df dot head, मतलब if I want to make here file, अभी ये फाइल मेरे सिस्टम में है कि नहीं I don't know basically, but I will run it. PD is not defined, so I have to run. Okay. So this what, agar if I will tell here, basically by default it will be showing the 10 records. Okay, but if I want to display the 10 records, so it will be showing, so it will be changed according to that. And if you want to display all the record in table, so you just write the max 999 functions aata hai, that you just try that. Okay, so every function I will not going to tell, but you just try that function. Okay, then this what the first row or 10 rows and columns we are having. Now आपको data पता चल गया होगा कि what kind of a data. This is x0 to x385 कॉलम है बेसिकली. Now we will see what is the data.info function है df. Now अभी हमने इसको framework में convert कर दिया है, so we can apply that df.info. तो इसमें क्या क्या है basically? We can having the range index entry 0 to 4208 columns, 378 columns है basically we can having, and we can having id from x3258 जो आपको दिख रहा है basically. And we can having data types कौन सा है float, integer, object, okay, और memory usage this way basically. This is what the data dot info. One more function we can add here, data dot shape. Okay, shape we can having, oh sorry data नहीं है df है, every time we write ये tuple consider करता है. So this what, how many record, 4209 रोज है और 378 इंडेक्सिंग है बेसिकली कॉलम से, तो रोज इनटू कॉलम. डेटा डॉट डिस्क्राइब वी कैन गेट how many, what is the count, what is the standard deviation, what is the minimum, then quartile, quantile, 25%, 50%, 75% when we are going to apply, and what is the maximum this particular column. So this way we can using this describe as a function. तो ये हर एक रो हर एक कॉलम का जो काउंट है बेसिकली दैट इट शुड बी गोइंग टू बी प्रिंटेड बेसिकली. जो काउंट कितना आता है, मीन क्या है हर एक कॉलम का, स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन क्या है, मिनिमम क्या है उसका बेसिकल, मैक्सिमम क्या है, और अगर क्वांटाइल में हम 25% अमंग दैट डेटा वी कैन अप्लाई, तो हाउ इट शुड बी 50% जो मैंने आपको सिखाया था, 75% जो पता है क्वांटाइल क्वार्टाइल जो होता है, दैट वी आर गोइंग टू बी अप्लाइड ओवर हियर. तो ये डिस्क्राइब करता है. ओके, देन हर एक x0 का वैल्यू काउंट्स क्या है, तो उसमें वैल्यू काउंट्स क्या है, सो इट विल बी गेट प्रिंटेड. इफ आई वांट द डेटा फ्रेम एंड बाय जो कॉलम है उसके ग्रेटर देन 100 ही रिकॉर्ड्स चाहिए, तो इट विल बी गेट प्रिंटेड ओवर दिस वे. Correlation, this the basically factor where we can having the how these columns are correlated with each other basically. So correlation हमारा हुआ नहीं है, जैसे हम रिलेशन मतलब what is the relation between each every element to each other. राइट, मैंने आपको जो iris डेटा से दिखाया था, तो what the relation of sepal length to petal length to sepal width or petal width, so that this is nothing but the relation and how they are basically matching with each other. So that basically you just consider for a time being relations क्या होता है, so that correlation coefficient basically important होता है. Then value counts basically कितना है हर एक कॉलम का. Okay, so this way we can having this basically pandas value. Okay, so this all this thing missing value as well as outliers drop करना I will tell you to the next lecture, because ये हमारा हुआ नहीं है, तो आपको ये मैं समझाऊंगी फिर भी समझ में नहीं आएगा कि ये क्या चल रहा है. So this we will just go through tomorrow's lecture and then I will going to clear out this idea. Okay, तो what you should do, ये फाइल लेने से अच्छा, ये फाइल तो मैं आपको भेज देती हूँ अपलोड करके, बट आप खुद से एक CSV फाइल डाउनलोड करो. इंटरनेट पे बहुत सारे फाइल्स है, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया कि स्कैगल है आपका, कौन सा है डेट एनालिटिक्स विद्या है, उस पर बहुत सारे CSV फाइल आपको मिल जाएंगे. और अगर 3-4 CSV फाइल मर्ज करके भी करना है तो आपको वो मर्ज करके एक फंक्शन आता है दैट यू आर गोइंग टू बी अप्लाई. ओके, व्हेन यू आर पार्टिसिपेटिंग इन हैकाथॉन. ओके, so I will share this file and I will share with this other file also. So now you just start perform. Okay, take your own CSV file. For helping you just apply this function. Understood?
Yes,
समझ में आया? Okay. You want to do the inheritance program also?